Welcome to JH. ShoppyShop.com claims to be an elite e-commerce shopping club, promising premium products, cashback rewards, and exclusive savings, all for a small monthly fee. It sounds like a shopper's paradise, but the big question is whether this site is actually legitimate or just another digital mirage. Because let's be honest, if it sounds too good to be true, you're usually the one paying for the illusion. The first red flag is that the company is surprisingly shy about who is actually running things. Their About Us section is a masterclass in marketing fluff that says absolutely nothing of substance. While some digging points to a man named Corey Thompson as the CEO, this information is only found on his personal social media pages. Apparently, the company's leadership is on a need-to-know basis, and clearly, the customers don't need to know. Speaking of Corey Thompson, his professional history is a bit of a graveyard for multi-level marketing schemes. He's been linked to a long list of MLMs like Visualis, Beepic, and APLGO, many of which have either collapsed or completely rebranded after failing. It's hard to feel confident in a captain who has a habit of sailing ships directly into icebergs. When the track record looks like a list of cautionary tales, trustworthy isn't exactly the first word that comes to mind. The corporate setup is equally bizarre. While the domain was registered back in 2020, the company didn't actually bother starting until July 2025. Even better, their official corporate address is a residential house in Texas, while the CEO is hanging out in Utah. Nothing screams global e-commerce giant, quite like a business operating out of someone's spare bedroom. It's a level of transparency you'd usually expect from a lemonade stand, not a premium shopping club. Then we have the actual deals. Members pay about $10 a month for access to products from mystery third-party sources, plus an extra $30 if they want travel services with vague retail value. The whole system seems less interested in selling actual goods and more interested in collecting membership fees. It's a bold business strategy to sell a shopping experience, where the most popular item is the subscription itself. Finally, the compensation plan is a convoluted mess that heavily rewards recruitment over actual sales. While they claim you can earn from product commissions, the system is tilted toward building teams and dragging new members into the fold. It's the classic pyramid-shaped headache where the more people you recruit, the more you earn. In short, ShoppyShop.com is a high-risk venture with a history of instability and a focus on networking rather than real value. If you're thinking about joining, do yourself a favor and keep your wallet closed until you've done some serious homework. Thanks for watching, and if you want more honest reviews that don't pull punches, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.